Hello UFO fanatics. I hope you will enjoy our new episode, and luckily it will send shivers down your spine and send you straight to the boiled. I have my sources and I found out that many of you guys eat junk food and you can't feed the fishes. Fishes are dying. This not good. Bad for the planet. Ahaha. Today I will present to you the case of the Great Los Angeles Raid, or as many of you may have heard, the Battle of Los Angeles, which took place in 1942 in the late 24th to early 25th of February, Los Angeles, California. The incident occurred less than 3 months after the United States entered World War II in response to the Imperial Japanese Navy's surprise attack on Pearl Harbor, and one day after the bombardment of Elwood near Santa Barbara on February 23rd. Initially, the target of the air barrage was thought to be an attacking force from Japan, but speaking at a press conference shortly afterward, the Secretary of the Navy Frank Knox called the purported attack a false alarm. Newspapers at the time published a number of reports and speculations of a cover-up. On February 24, 1942, U.S. Naval Intelligence issued a warning that an attack from mainland California could be expected within the next 10 hours. That evening, many flares and blinking lights were reported from the vicinity of defense plans. An alert was called at 7:18 p.m. and was lifted at 10:23 p.m. Nuke activity began early in the morning of February 25th. Air raid sirens sounded at 2:25 a.m. throughout Los Angeles County. The total blackout was ordered and thousands of air raid wardens were summoned to their positions. At 3:16 a.m., the 37th Coast Artillery Brigade gave the order F the duck and began firing .50 caliber machine guns and 12.8 pound, 5.8 kilograms, anti-aircraft shells like Cuckoo into the air and reported aircraft. These meatheads fired over 1,400 shells. Pilots of the 4th Interceptor Command were alerted, but their aircraft remained grounded. The artillery fire continued sporadically until 4:14 a.m. The all clear was sounded and the blackout order was lifted at 7:21 a.m. Several buildings and vehicles were damaged by shell fragments and duck excrements, and 5 civilians died as an indirect result of the anti-aircraft fire. 3 were killed in car accidents in the ensuing chaos, and 2 heart attacks attributed to the stress of the hour-long action. When documenting the incident in 1949, the United States Coast Artillery Association identified a meteorological balloon sent aloft at 1 a.m. as having started all the shooting, and concluded that once the firing started, imagination created all kinds of targets in the sky and everyone joined in. In 1983, the U.S. Office of Air Force History attributed the event to a case of war nerves triggered by a lost weather balloon exacerbated by straight flares and shell bursts from adjoining batteries. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more in order to stay tuned for my next episode.